Are you in need of some quick cash and looking for the easiest way to boost your bank account balance? Guess what? I got an awesome opportunity for you. Many companies are literally giving away money through instant sign-up bonus offers. And today I'm revealing the 7 best that you can grab immediately. So let's turn your financial worries into gains. Let's dive into our first jackpot, SwagBucks. Known for paying you to watch videos, play games, and even shop online, SwagBucks hooks you up with a cool $10 just for joining. It's like opening up your wallet and finding a nice tenner right in there.
Money!
But it doesn't have to stop there. Imagine earning cash back every time you shop on Amazon, Sephora, Home Depot, and even Walmart. This is a sign-up bonus that keeps on giving. To snag yours, simply sign up through the link in the description, and those extra $10 are gonna be yours. Cha-ching! Let's slide into our next pick, Survey Junkie. Here's an interesting tidbit. Your opinions are worth their weight in gold.
Gold!
Okay, maybe not gold, but definitely some green. And with Survey Junkie, surveys aren't just surveys. They are dollar signs straight to your account. Survey Junkie offers a $5 sign-up bonus after you sign up, create an account, and by sharing your thoughts, you're automatically in the running for cold, hard cash. To get started, check out the link below. Up next is the game-changing, smart-spending Rackin. Ever wish you could hit rewind on your purchase and get some money back? With Rackin, consider it done. They offer a triple threat bonus with cashback, coupons, and a delightful sign-up bonus. Just for trying out their money-saving browser extension, you can earn up to $30 as an instant sign-up bonus. We've personally been using Rackin for years for our online shopping and for referring friends, and we've earned over $3,600 in cash back. So go ahead and scoop up your sign-up bonus, dive into Rackin's world of discounts and cashback opportunities. Now I want you to imagine if your spare change could start building a better financial future without even noticing. That's the magic of Acorns. Using their app is like having a digital piggy bank that invests your change. Anytime you make a purchase using credit card or debit card, Acorns will automatically round up to the nearest dollar and invest that money for you. Acorns is actually the first investment app I ever used in college, and is truly a perfect investing app for those that need to build better habits and have things done for you automatically. Plus, they have a $20 sign-up bonus that's going to give you a powerful boost to get you started. Sign up for Acorns and watch your money tree grow. It's really that easy. Quick high five for stress-free saving. If you're finding this video valuable, can you hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed? It really helps the channel. Plus, we have a ton of content on how to make money online, so I don't want you to miss out. Are you ready to invest the savvy way? Robinhood makes it easier than ever to become the next Wall Street whiz. I've personally been using them for over a decade, and I love how simple and easy their platform is to use. Plus, who doesn't love free stock trading? Robinhood is currently offering a variety of bonuses, including earning up to 3% extra on every dollar you contribute to your IRA when you subscribe to a Robinhood Gold account. IRA transfers and 401k rollovers also earn another 3%. On top of all of that, they offer an incredible 5% APY on any idle cash in your Robinhood Gold account, meaning that if you have any money that's not invested, or you have money getting transferred in, you're going to be earning 5% on that money until it gets invested. That's awesome. Again, all these sign-up bonuses I'm talking about, there will be links in the description. Now, if you love Robinhood's concept but prefer a more guided investment strategy and experience, Stash is going to be tailor-made just for you. With personalized portfolios, Stash makes investing in the stock market approachable and profitable. And get this, they're giving away a $5 kickstart to your financial journey. Whether it's companies that you love and use for yourself, or just you have a cause to believe in them, Stash lets you put your money where your heart is. You can go ahead and claim your $5 bonus today and watch your money grow into your dreams. Last but not least, Chime. If you are tired of old school banking like myself and getting charged those horrible banking fees, Chime is about to be your financial hero. Their sign-up bonus often fluctuates, but they recently had an offer with a no-fee account and a $100 sign-up bonus. That's right, say goodbye to irritating fees and hello to functional banking. But the perks don't stop there. Chime includes a handsome array of in-app features designed to help you save your money and, more importantly, your time. Go ahead and click the link below to see what Chime is currently offering as a bonus to new members. Again, they fluctuate often, so they might be changing. Now, of course, it's super nice to get those instant sign-up bonuses to boost your bank account. I mean, who doesn't love that? But most likely you want something a little bit more long-term and more substantial. So make sure you watch my next video where I share the 5 best side hustles that you can earn up to $500 per day from. Thanks for watching. See you next time.